We're looking at a 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7. You don't see very many of these cars anymore because this particular model wasn't super valuable or collectible, but this customer has owned the car for a very long time, and about 10 years ago we did a complete repaint on the car and some other restoration. This is an example of the kind of work that we do at Farland Classic Restoration. Our paint job still looks new after 10 years. The customer's taken very nice care of it, but all of the paint is intact. There's no cracks, there's no shrinkage. The car just looks beautiful. When I saw it sitting outside, I thought it was a brand new car. I almost didn't recognize it at first. And then I remembered the customer and the wonderful time he had restoring it. It's in for a little bit of service work, so you can follow along at farlandcars.com. Farland Classic Restorations on Instagram and Facebook.